Hi guys, my name is Ramprasad. I am saying about the experiment number 3, number 5 static IP router. And let's see the PC. Let's see the experiment. Let's see the first one as PC0 IP routing interface Ethernet 0 IP configuration IPv4 address 192.168.5.2 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 default gateway 192.168.5.1 DNS server 0.0.0 and IPv6 address link local address FE802.202.16FF FEDC 5E42 and let's see the next one PC2 PC1 IP configuration for PC1 IPv4 address 192.168.4.2 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 default gateway 192.168.4.1 DNS server 0.0.0.0 IP configuration IPv6 address link local address FE80240 BFF FE F4586 and let's see the PC2 IP configuration. PC2 IP configuration IPv4 address 192.168.1.2 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 default gateway 192.168.1.1 DNS server 0.0.0.0.0 and link local address FE802D0 58FF FEBE C22C and let's see the router 0. We can do here router en out router config t configuration commands on per line and with ctn c control z int fa 0 comma 0 ip address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0 no shut and exit sc20 IP address 192.168.2.1 to 55.255.255.0 no shut and IP config if exit router config exit and router config t router configuration IP router 192.168.3.0 to 55.255.255.0 192.168.2.2 router config if router 192.168.4.0 to 55.255.255.0 192.168.2.2 router config if router IP router 192.168.5.0 to 55.255.255.0 192.168.2.2 and router config exit router run show shutdown IP router C connected S static IGRP R RIP M mobile B BGF D E1 GRP EX E1 GRP external O OSFE IAOS PF inter area N1 OS PF NSSA external type 1 N2 OS PF NSSA external type 2 E1 OS PF external type 1 E2 OS PF external type 2 EGP IS minus IS LI IS minus IS level 1 L2 IS minus IS level 2 IAIS minus IS enter area star candidate default U per user static route 0 ODRP periodic download static route gateway of last resort is not set C 192.168.0 is directly connected for Ethernet 0.0 and router EN config T configuration commands per line router 190.0.0.0.0.0 192.168.2.2 exit config from console by console shutdown IP route ports and gateway of latest resort is 192.162.2.2 to network 0.0.0.0. C 192.168.10/24 is directly connected faster than Ethernet. C 192.168.2.0/24 is directly connected serial 2.0. 192.168.3.0/210 via 192.168.2.2. 192.168.4.0/24 1/0 via 192.168.2.2. So S 192.168.5.0/24 1/0 via 192.168.2.2. S 0.0.0.0/0 1/0 via 192.168.2.2. And let's see the router 1 router en router config t enter router config int se2/0 router config if IP address 192.168.2.2 255.255.255.0 router config if no shutdown router config if router exit router config enter IE int SE serial 3/0 router config if IP address 192.168.3.1 to 55.255.255.0 router config if no shed router config if exit router config int FA 0/0 router config if IP address 192.168.4.1 to 55.255.255.0 router config if no shed router config if exit router config exit router and router config t and router config IP route 192.168.1.0 to 55.255.255.0 192.168.2.1 router config if I route 192.168.5.0 to 55.255.255.0 192.168.3.2 router config exit router asset IP route gateway of latest resort is not set SCCS 192.168.1.0/24 1/0 via 192.168.2.1. See 192.168.2.0/24 is directly connected serial 2/0. See 192.168.4.0/24 is directly connected Ethernet 0, 0 router config T and router config IP route 192.168.1.0 to 55.255.255.0 192.168.2.1 router config IP route 192.162.168.5.0 to 55.255.255.0 192.168.3.2 router config exit and router ship IP route gateway of the latest is not set SCCCS 192.168.1.0/24 via 1/0 via 192.168.2.1 C 192.168.2.0/24 is directly connected serial 2/0 C 192.168.3.0/24 is directly connected serial 3/0 C 192.168.4.0 4.0/24 is directly connected with the faster Ethernet 0/0 192.168.5.0/24 1/0 via 192.168.3.2 router and router EN router config T router config uh, int SC2/0 and router config if IP address and 192.168.3.2 to 55.255.255.0 router config if no shed router config if exit router config in router config int FAS 0/0 router config if IP address 192.168.5.1 to 55.255.255.0 config router if router config if no shed router config if and exit exit, router config exit, router config t, router config IP route 192.168.1.0 to 55.255.255.0, 192.168.3.1, router config IP route 192.168.2.0 to 55.255.255.0, 192.168.3.1, router config IP route 192.168.4.0 to 55.255.255.0, 192.168.3.1 exit, router config exit, and router S show IP route gateway of resort is not set. SSCSC S 192.168.1.0/24 via 192.168.3.1 S 192.168.2.0/24 via 192.168.3.1 C 192.168.3.0/24 is directly connected serial 2/0 S 192.168.4.0 /24 1 slash 0 via 192.168.3.1 C 192.168.5.0/24 is directly connected faster Ethernet 0/0 config T router config IP route 0/0/0/0/dot 192.168.3.1 config router config exit router show IP route and gateway of latest resort is 192.168.3.1 to network 0.0.0.0 S 192.168.0.1.0/24 1/0 via 192.168.3.1 S 192.168.2/2.0/24 1/24 via 192.168.3.1 C 192.168.3.0/24 is directly connected serial 2/0 S 192.168.4.0/0/24 via 1/0 via 192.168.3.1 C 192.168.5.0/24 is directly connected faster Ethernet 0/0 S star 0.0.0.0/0 1/0 via 192.168.3.1 and let's take the packages PC2 to router 0 successfully PC2 to router 0 ICMP time second 0.0.0.000 periodic 0 number 0 and let's see the next one PC0 to router 2 successfully PC0 to router 2 ICMP 0.0.000 and 1 edit delete and let's see the third one PC1 to router 1 successful PC1 to router 1 ICMP 0.000 and 2 edit delete. Thank you guys by watching my video.